Hi, my dear children. Oh, Today we are going to see the lesson number 12. What if it finishes? சரிங்களா? What if it finishes? சரிங்களா? In this lesson we are going to learn about the what are all the fuels that was used by vehicles. Okay, like petrol, diesel, CNG, LPG, like that. Okay, this is a lesson that was described by the student Abraham. சரிங்களா? ஒரு student Abraham, she was describing. சரிங்களா? Take page number 110, 110. In this lesson, there was one story. Okay, a bus journey. சரிங்களா? A bus journey. Today we are going to a school trip to the Atlas Stepwell. சரிங்களா? Atlas Stepwell, you know. சரிங்களா? About 18 kilometers from Ahmedabad. சரிங்களா? We began counting the vehicles on the road. Some of us were counting the bicycles, others counting the cars, bus and auto rickshaws, bicycles, motorcycles, like that. Okay. Ibrahim, who was counting bicycles, soon get bored. There was hardly and bicycles on the highway. Nowadays we are not using bicycles, so he was bored. Okay, Srij, the driver suddenly braked at the red light. சரிங்களா? There was in one traffic signal. The driver suddenly braked that van. சரிங்களா? It was the big crossing. சரிங்க, big crossing, and we could see the traffic lined up on the all sides. சரிங்களா? See that picture having. Okay, honk honk, the sound of the loud horns and smoke coming out of the vehicles. சரிங்களா? When we are waiting for the signal, we want to switch off, or otherwise the smoke will come. Okay, maybe that is why a little boy in the rickshaw was snuffing so much. Snuffing means tummal. சரிங்களா? Okay, I smelt something familiar. I remembered this smell. It came from Baba's tractor in the village. சரிங்களா? There was one tractor standing. The smoke come out from that tractor. சரிங்களா? Okay, take 111. In that page having 5 questions. Look at the page on 110 and write. What are the different kind of vehicles that you can see? Car, bicycle, motorcycle, you have seen there. What do you think? Why need petrol and diesel as fuel? This is a natural commodity that was used in the vehicles. Okay, which of the vehicles that you do think give off smoke? Put a red mark on those. சரிங்களா? We have to red mark that cars, சரிங்களா, tractors, like that. Okay, which of the vehicles run without petrol and diesel? Bicycle. சரிங்களா? What problems do we face from the speeding vehicles? We get some diseases. Okay, like that. Okay, tell questions are there. Do you ride a bicycle? If yes, where all you go? To garden. சரிங்களா? Yes, to garden, to school, like that. How could you come to school? By bus. Okay, how do your family members go to work from school? Motorcycle, bus, car, like that. What problems can we have from smoke outing of vehicles? Headache, lung disease, snuff. These are all the diseases will come. What kind of problems can we face from noise of vehicles? Horning. Get effect from headache, like that. Okay, on the petrol pump. சரிங்களா? petrol இதில் போகிறோம். After some times our bus stopped at a petrol pump. There was a long queue. It seems as if we could have a long wait. சரிங்களா? We all get down from the bus and started looking around the petrol pump. We saw many large boards and posters. சரிங்களா, they were seeing some posters, boards like that. Then you move to 112. In that one poster is there. See in the top of that page. Petrol and diesel will not last forever. Save it for your children. There is an one poster like that. Okay. Make every drop to a long way. Switch off the engine when you stop the car. சரிங்களா, this was dated on 13/7/2017. சரிங்களா, they were given the petrol and diesel rate also there. We could not understand why it was written that petrol and diesel will not last forever. Okay, we thought of asking an uncle who works at the petrol pump. சரிங்களா, there was a small discussion between that Abraham and petrol pump uncle. சரிங்களா, Abraham asking uncle, from where do we get petrol and diesel? That uncle working in that petrol pump telling, from deep down under the ground. Okay, Manju asking, but how does it made there? எப்படி made ஆகுது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேக்குறாங்க. Uncle, it is formed naturally, but slowly. It was not made by a human or any machine. The petrol is not made by human or not made by a human being. It is a natural commodity. Okay, it comes under the ground. Okay, Ibrahim. Then we could not need to buy it. We can take it off ourselves using a borewell like we pump out water. அப்படின்னு கேக்குறாங்க. Uncle, it is not found anywhere, but only at a few places in our country. We need big machines to pump out and clean it. சரிங்களா, okay. You have to take next page. In that page, find out and discuss. Which states of India have oil fields? They were asking. Assam, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh. Besides oil, what else is found deep inside the earth? பாத்தீங்கன்னா minerals like coal, iron, copper, gold, bauxite, etc. Okay, then further discussions are going on. Divya asking, is petrol going to finish? The poster said that petrol is not going to last forever. Okay, uncle, it does not get made as fast as we take it out. It takes lakhs of years for it to be formed under the earth. சரிங்களா, the petrol needs to take about 10 lakhs of years. சரிங்களா, Ibrahim, how will vehicles run if the oil finishes? அப்படின்னு சொல்லி Ibrahim asking. அதுக்கு மஞ்சு சொல்றாங்க on CNG. CNG means compressed natural gas. சரிங்களா, I had seen on TV that vehicles which run on CNG give less smoke. சரிங்களா, while using petrol and diesel it will comes more smoke. While using CNG means it will come less smoke. Okay, uncle laughing and telling that two comes from below the earth. It is also limited one only. Next, Divya, electricity can be used to run vehicles. I have seen an electrical bicycle ன்னு சொல்றாங்க. Ibrahim, we will have to do something or else how will we traveled when we are grow up? அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேக்குறாங்க. திவ்யா சொல்றாங்க, my daddy, grandmother சொல்றாங்க, grandmother could be happy if their fuels run on the road. She says, look, vehicles line up like ants. What will we do when you grow up? ன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. அவங்க திவ்யாவோட grandmother கேக்குறாங்க. மஞ்சு சொல்றாங்க அதுக்கு, see, only one or two people are sitting on these cars. Why does not everyone use a bus? அப்படின்னு கேக்குறாங்க. Then Ibrahim, that will save petrol. One bus can carry many people. Manju, when we grow up, I will invent a car that runs on sunlight. சரிங்களா, மஞ்சு சொல்றாங்க she will invent a car using a sunlight. When we will not worry to be about getting finished, we can see it as much as we want. Okay, then 114. In 114, treasure from the earth. Treasure from the earth. It is not easy to find where oil is deep down below the earth. Scientists use special techniques and machines to find out this out. சரிங்களா, there it is not easy to get the petrol and diesel easily. சரிங்களா, it will take some more times. Then through pipes and machines, petroleum is pulled up. Using the pipes and machines, the petroleum is pulling upwards from the ground. Okay, then this oil is smelly, thick, dark colored liquid. It will give some different smell. It will thicky one and dark colored one. சரிங்களா, it looks like orange color. It contains many things mixed in it. சரிங்களா, to clean and separate those, it is used to refinery. சரிங்களா, have you heard a word refinery? Refinery means we want to remove the waste from that oils. சரிங்களா, it is from this petroleum and or oil that we get kerosene, diesel, petrol, engine oil and fuels for aircrafts. Using this petrol, we have to get what are all the things means kerosene, diesel, petrol, engine oil and also a fuel for aircrafts also. Do you know that LPG, cooking gas, wax, coal tar, grease also obtained from this also. In the roadsides for coal tar and grease are used, no, these are also getting from that petroleum also. Okay, LPG means liquid petroleum gas. It was used for our cooking purpose. Okay, it is also used in making several other things using petrol and plastics, petrol, paints like that we are using. Okay, I started thinking about saving oil. Ibrahim thinking about saving oil. Ibrahim remembered that sometimes Baba keeps the engine of the tractor on while doing something else. At times the pump in the field is also left on. How much oil could be going waste? Suddenly I thought I will surely talk to Baba when I get home. சரிங்களா, he was seeing Baba's tractor was always on. So okay, he was advising to Baba when he reached home. Okay, right. What all vehicles can run? What all can vehicles run on? Diesel, petrol, CNG, LPG, battery, solar energy, electric. இது எல்லாத்துலயுமே யூஸ் பண்ணி இதுவா இருக்கும் ஆகும். What kind of problems will we face if the number of vehicles keep on increasing? For example, more traffic on the road. Talk to your elders and write about it. Air pollution, noise pollution, accident, headache, these and all will occur. Okay. Manju said, why does not everyone use a bus? What did you think? You do not travel by buses. Yes, we also used to travel. Okay. Then, what are the benefits if we switch off the engine of the vehicles at the red light on the road? Okay, we save fuel, reducing noise pollution, reducing air pollution. This and all the answers for that. Remaining pages I will explain in Google Meet class. Bye to everyone. If you having any doubts, I will clarify in Google Meet class.